Hi guys, Joseph here from Cardiff Youth Service. Today I'm going to do the cupboard challenge. So I'm going to pick out some items and try and make a meal for them. Let's have a look. Right, out of them items, I'm going to try and make a meal. See how it goes. Pasta boiled. I'm now going to add our wet ingredients. Firstly, tuna. Right, with our tuna in, as I mentioned, we've got protein and omega-3. I'm going to add in some sweet corn, good source of fibre. Right, next we've got our sauce, tomato and basil, and as you can see, it's one of our 5 a day, along with the sweet corn and the soup. Right, next we've got some vegan cream cheese. Obviously guys, you can go without this, as that looks delicious as it is, but I'm shooting and I want to put some cream cheese. You should sort of orange colour. Remember to put a hob on just slightly. We're currently putting our little pasta into a bowl so we can chuck it in the oven to make it into a pasta bake. And I know this is a cupboard challenge, but I love cheese too much, so I'm going to add some cheese on top of this, and hopefully it will be delicious. Here we have our perfect 5 item, 6 if you count the cheese, meal. Very healthy, got everything you need in it. Bon appetit.